Something again?
Yeah. Can I? Okay, well, I want to know if they really have cats. Like, if they cook the cats.
So loud.
I am?
No.
Oh, alright. Peace out, yo. Let me eat.